Welcome to our teacher app. I am your math teacher. Today we are going to discuss about a pair of linear equations in two variables of class 10th. Now we are going to discuss about a pair of linear equations in two variables. Pair means two equations we are going to discuss, and equations with two variables. Two variables means it will contain either x and y or a and b or some w, u, v, like that. Any two alphabets will deal the two equations. Now the equations here will be considered as three types. So the first one is intersecting lines. Second one is parallel lines. Third one is coincidence lines. Now, if you consider the two equations, see, because we are discussing about two equations, pair of linear equations. So you consider a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. When you consider two equations. See, here x coefficient is a1, y coefficient is b1, third value is c1. So with the two equations, according to the relation, we can say which pair belongs to which category. See, here two equations are there. a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. When this relation satisfies, the two are called intersecting lines. And what are parallel lines is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 but not equal to c1 by c2. Such a pair are called parallel lines. And coming for coincident lines are a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. That means all the coefficients will be equal in the given two equations. Now how, with the help of these the coefficients, we can say directly whether the two given lines are parallel or coincident or intersecting lines. Now the same category we are going to solve with the help of the graph. See, the first one, if you take the graph, when you draw the two lines will definitely intersect at a point. So by seeing itself the two lines, we can say these two are intersecting lines. And coming for the next graph, the two lines will not intersect, but the two lines will be both sides extended as much we need. So this, by seeing itself, we can say the parallel lines. And coming for the third category, coincidence lines means first line will come like this, on that only you will get the second point also. Both will be on the same line. So the two are called coincident lines. Now how to solve these two pair of linear equations? In this topic we dealt here two methods. One is substitution method. And the second one is elimination method. So elimination method and the substitution method. What is called a substitution method? Substitution method is nothing but if you take a 2x plus 3y plus 5 equal to 0, and the second one is 3x minus 6y is plus minus 7 equal to 0. If you consider two equations, from the first equation either x value or y value we will find, that value we will substitute in the second equation. See, from this equation if you substitute x value, 2x is equal to these two values you take that side, minus 3x minus 5, and this 2 you take that side, x is equal to minus 3x minus 5 by 2. This value we will substitute, 3y this is, so this value we will substitute here, so that all the terms will be converted into y. So now if you solve this one, you will get two y values. The two y values if you substitute in this one mean here you will get a y value. That y value if you substitute in this equation, you will get x value. And coming for elimination method. So elimination method is nothing but see here 2x plus 3y minus 6 equal to 0, and 3x minus 4y is equal to minus plus 7 is equal to 0 if it is there. So now we have to equate, you have to equate the coefficient. See, this equation you multiply with 3, this equation you multiply with 2, so that we are converting this 2 and 3 into 6 and 6. Then if you subtract this x values gets cancelled, then you will get y. Entire equation you have to multiply. So 3 3s are, it will become 9, and 3 6s are, this is 18. 2 4s are 8, and 2 7s are is 14. So if you simplify, you will get the y value. That y value you substitute either in the first equation or second equation, you will get the another value which we need. And the final topic is equations reducible to linear equations. That is the last topic in this chapter. Now what are called reducible equations? See, the equations which are given, see, equations reducible to linear equations. So here 4 by x plus 5 by y is equal to 1 by 7. So that is the first equation. And second equation is 3 by x minus 7 by y is equal to 1 by 9. These two equations now we cannot solve directly. So these two we have to convert, or we have to reduce into the form of linear equation. So how to reduce means here 1 by x, 1 by y are there. So 1 by x you take it as a, 1 by y you take it as b. So that is the equation will be, see here, if you take 1 by x is equal to a and 1 by y is equal to b, if you consider, what happens, it will become 4a 5b is equal to 1 by 7, and this is a 3a minus 7b is equal to 1 by 9. Now we can solve these two equations with the help of these two, either is these two. So now after solving this one, you will get a and b values. Again you substitute a and b values in these two, so that you will get what are x and y values. So these are the important areas which we deal in this topic.